Okay, so this example is going to be question number 1 from problem set 6.3. So 6.3, question number 1. And this problem set is about, most of the problems are about calculating time or something related to the time given the flow rate. So in this problem, we have 25 milliliters of medication, which has been added to 250 milliliters of D5W and is to be infused at a rate of 11 milliliters per hour. So we must be using a pump because we're not talking about drops per second or drops per minute, we're talking about milliliters per hour. Now I need to calculate the time. How long is it going to take for this to happen? So remember, we had the flow rate is equal to the volume divided by the time was our first formula, and we can move this around and just do some algebra, and I can calculate the time is equal to the volume divided by the rate. Now my volume, I have 25 milliliters of medication plus 250 milliliters of D5W, so I have a volume of 200, and so my time equals a volume of 275 milliliters. 275 milliliters. So time is equal to 275 milliliters divided by my flow rate, which is 11 milliliters per hour. Now, so that's going to equal, time is going to equal 275 divided by 11. I need a calculator to do that. Grab my calculator. So clear 275 divided by 11 equals 25. So it's 25, and now look, I have again milliliters divided by milliliters, they cancel out, and then when I have a fraction under a fraction, so if I have 1 over hours, that's the same as just hours. You flip what's on the bottom and multiply. So the milliliters cross out, and I have a time in hours. So there's my answer. It takes 25 hours for the infusion to complete. That's 6.3, question number 1. And an example of going the other way, calculating the time given the volume and the rate.